Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you, and it is the Vegan Kind beauty box. Just open it this way because I'm struggling with my arm and my address label is on the top of it, which I haven't taken off. So the Vegan Kind, it comes every other month, so every 2 months you get a box, and it costs £18.15. So yeah, if you want to get this, if you haven't got it already, you can get £5 off your first box if you use the code vegan in the box. It's not, I'm not affiliated to that link that code, so it's just literally you get £5 off and that's it. I'll pop a link down below if you're interested. And yeah, there've been some really good boxes in the past, and you can buy previous boxes. You can look on the website and see if there's anything in there that you really like. I'd say 2 boxes ago, I think it was, they had some lashes and things, and it was such a nice box. So yeah, so Vegan Kind, so it's cruelty free, vegan friendly, and I think they donate some money from each box to a charity as well, so you can do your little bit and feel good about treating yourself to a box. So inside it just says here you can win £50 by sharing your things online, and you've just got to hashtag TVK beauty box, which is the Vegan Kind beauty box. I've never won anything. I don't think I know anybody else who's won anything, but you know, if you don't share, you don't win. We've got a little booklet in here as well, which tells us about the products, and then the products are, as I said, inside here. So let's have a little look and see. So it is the Vegan Kind beauty box, and it is the February 2019 box. So first things first, we've got this unusual looking product here. So this is a bath time loofah from Loofah. It's made from loofah plant, heart-shaped, refreshes skin, gently cleans and smooths, expands and softens in water, long-lasting, traditional, and a brush with nature. So I might do a little video on that so we can see what it looks like. It feels quite hard and scratchy now, but it does say it will soften up. So it says, so it's Loofah Bath Time Heart Loofah. RRP for this is £3. So Loofah Bath Time Loofah pads are skillfully handmade in Egypt from layers of natural loofah plant stitched together to make a delightful heart shape. A 100% biodegradable alternative to plastic exfoliator pads. This bath time heart shaped loofah fits neatly into the hand, and when it's immersed in water swells up to become a soft, spongy and flexible pad perfect for exfoliating your skin. Each pad will last for months and with normal use, and when worn out can be composted. So that's really interesting. It's a different type of thing to get. I suppose with the heart shape it ties in with Valentine's for this month. So yeah, a nice little thing to have. Next thing we've got is this by Memi. We've had a few things by Memi already, and it is a Radiance Highlighter Cream in the shade Paradise, and it is 5 grams. Just get it out to have a little look. I think we got a mascara or an eyeliner from them before, and I did actually like the product, so it's quite a new brand to me. It's been introduced through this box, and yeah, so far I'm liking it. So it's a very mirrored finish. It is a lovely looking finish, and let's open it up if I can. I can't open it. Oh my gosh. Bear with me. Can you open that for me? Thank you. Just push it on there. Thank you. Thank you very much. You can shut the door. Right, so he's opened it up. So it's got a really nice mirror in the top, and then this is the shade here. Let's have a little look. So it is cream. It looks quite a peachy golden colour, and I'll just, yeah, it's definitely very golden. You can see it on my hand there. It dries to a powder, actually. It's really nice. Very subtle. There we are. And I'll just try and do a bit. Let's try a bit there. yeah, it's really, really pretty. So I am pleased with that. I don't use cream products very much, but I am going to try and start getting into them a little bit more. So that's a nice product. What does it say about that? It says, lightweight and buildable, Memi Radiance Highlighter Cream contains light reflecting shimmer particles that melt seamlessly into skin. Ultra blendable, the cream to powder finish is perfect for using under or over your makeup to achieve a beautiful luminescent glow. In this edition of our beauty box, you will receive one of our 3 favourite highlighter shades, either Juicy, Paradise or Golden Years. So the RRP for this is £12, and it is a nice product. I do like it. It's very nice. So next thing we've got is this, and it is Ballade en Provence. Here we go here, and let's see if we can get it out. Why is everything packaged so much? There we go. It is, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Look at that. So what is this? So it is an apricot cuticle balm. RRP is £8.90. This is soften your cuticles with this super cute natural cuticle balm. It contains sweet almond oil, cocoa butter, candelilla wax, sunflower wax, olive oil and plenty of natural ingredients we love, and smells amazing too. It's manufactured in Provence. Please take a small quantity of the balm, massage it into the cuticles and the nails, and it's just the cutest handbag essential. There is a code saying vegankind25 to get 25% off your order online, so I'll pop details of that down below, and it's just adorable. I really like it. Let's have a little look. This one opens easily. Oh, there's a little seal over it. Take that out, and there it's quite a waxy balm. Oh, it smells really sort of peachy, apricotty, and it feels really nourishing. That is so nice. Whilst I'm off work, I might really try hard to get my nails and hands into sort of a nice condition. So I'm actually really pleased to have this. I don't have a cuticle balm at all already, so that's something good for me. So yes, that's really, really lovely. I do like that. Pack that away. Okay, so next item we've got is, what are we? So it's a 3D lip plumping treatment by Instant Effects OX2 Plus technology. So this is RRP's, wow, £24.99. That's amazing. And it says, lip gloss has never looked so good. My Instant Effects 3D lip plumper gives you a fuller pout without any of the aggravation. Their patented OX2 technology is clinically proven to plump lips by 20% in just 2 minutes. That is quite a claim. That sounds like another video to try. So with no stick or sting, this 3D lip plumping treatment glides on gently, helping to define your Cupid's bow and lip line in a natural plump finish. 3D lip plumping treatment leaves lips glossy and plump. Just one layer offers volume and definition in a comfortable silky finish. Mwah. So yeah, let's have a little look. I have got a few lip plumping products by other companies, so, and some of them really, really sting a lot. There's one in particular which is like almost quite, let's say agony, but it's very, very painful. So let's have a look at this. So it is it a clear gloss? I'm imagining it's a clear treatment. Wow, it looks like a marker pen. It's really it's not very sleek, is it? It's sort of quite industrial looking. Let's see if I can. So the lid comes off. Oh, how weird is that? So it's like a brush, and I think you click, yeah, and you click the product up. Is that it there? So let's try. It goes on really easily. okay. There's no smell to it. I've stained it because I've got a lip pencil on. Okay. I am going to do a video on this just to see if it works. But I may not put enough on. But yeah, I mean, it's weird. It just looks like a dry marker pen, like a semi-permanent pen thing. Very odd. So that's that. And then one more item in the box, and I have got one of these before, and it is the Natura Rose Infused Sheet Mask, calming and hydrating. Here we go. I do like a sheet mask, and the RRP for this is £4.95. It says the powerful botanical extracts in this luxurious rose facial sheet mask cleanse the skin of impurities. Relax and have some me time with this fabulous face mask. The anti-inflammatory healing benefits contained in this mask help prevent blemishes, minimise redness and soothe irritation, so it's perfect for calming winter skin problems and rehydrating your skin. So yeah, I do love a good sheet mask. It's nice to have one that's cruelty free and vegan, so we'll give that one a go. So just to recap what is in the box, we've got the Natura face mask, we have this lip plumping treatment, we've got the really cute cuticle balm thing there, we have the Memi cream highlighter, which looks really nice. It's not too fierce. It looks very lovely and it feels nice. And then this Loofah product. So actually, when I first looked in the box, I was a little bit disappointed, but actually when I stop and think about it, I actually quite like it. So yeah, and then it's quite a nice box. It only, as I say, it only comes every 2 months. £18 is a little bit more expensive than a lot of the other beauty boxes. But having said that, we do get some nice things. We've got a couple of makeup products, skincare, and just sort of general sort of like nicey things like the cuticle balm. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. They say the overall box value is £50 plus. I'll put across the screen here what the value is that I've worked it out to be, and then there we go. So I hope you have enjoyed it. As I say, you can get £5 off by using the code vegan if it's your first box. So if you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below if you wish, and I would love it if you could subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when my next video is up. So thanks for watching, guys. See you all later in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.